Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off age protection on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. Once you open it, you have to tap on your profile at the bottom. And from here you have to tap on these three bars at the top. And then tap on the settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on content preferences right here. From here, tap on restricted mode. Once you are in, it makes sure that the restricted mode is off. But if it is on, you have to just off it. So this is how you can turn off age protection or restricted mode on TikTok. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.